Hello everyone, my name is Edna and I'm the owner of A&C Consulting Group. We provide accounting and payroll services to small business owners and non-profit organizations. We also offer QuickBooks training to our clients. Today, I'm going to answer a common question that some business owners always ask. Why do I need an accountant? Why can't I take care of the accounting needs of my business? Well, some business owners actually do, but sometimes it doesn't end well. And by the time such business owners come to us for help, their financial books are in such a bad shape that the only viable option will be to do a complete cleanup job. And as we all know, cleanup jobs can be very time-consuming and very expensive. And moreover, depending on the nature of the damage that has been done, some of them may be reversible and some may not. This is why it is very important that you work with your accounting professionals right from the beginning. This will save you time, money, and stress. So you started your business and you registered it as an LLC, a partnership, or a corporation. Do you really understand the tax implication of what you just did? Do you know the pros and cons of each entity type? Your accountant will guide you in making this very important decision for your business. Your accountant will also set up the right accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll system that is appropriate for your business and also in compliance with rules and regulations. A very important aspect of this system is to put in place certain checks and balances that will minimize and prevent fraudulent activities in your organization. Your accountant will also help you with tax planning and filing your tax return. Everyone wants to maximize their profit, but when it comes to taxes, we all want to minimize our taxes. Working with your accounting professionals, you should be able to accomplish this. Finally, your accountant will provide you with periodic financial statements on a monthly, quarterly, and yearly basis. These financial statements are very important for every business because they are used to monitor the profitability and growth of the business over time. They also provide very important information that are used in making sound and rational business decisions. These are just a few benefits of working with your accounting professionals. Your accountant should be your trusted business partner. Do not be afraid to use them. That's it for now, and thank you so much for watching this video.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again